This has to be the most natural looking wig I've ever worked with. This is 100% glueless. Hi guys, welcome to another hair video. So today's wig is from Ashimary hair, and today I'm working with their Wear Go Yaki Straight Glueless Bob wig. So the lace comes pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-plucked. As you guys can see, the hairline on this wig is so good. It looks amazing and looks very natural as well, so I really like that. And this is their HD lace. You can see how well it blends in with my skin. So this is their 13x4 HD Yaki Straight wig. So this is their pull go wig, so it comes with a drawstring at the back of the wig to really help you achieve that glueless install, and all you have to do is to literally pull this to secure the wig. So the wig comes with 3 combs. It comes with 1 at the back and 2 on the sides, on the inside of the back. This is the construction of the wig, as you guys can see, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. So literally you have everything to achieve a glueless wig install for this wig. So I've gone ahead and applied some cream bronzer, you know, just to help the lace match my skin tone, and now you can see how that literally blends and melts into my skin perfectly. You can't even see where the lace is. The HD lace on this wig is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the wig on and also use the drawstring that it comes with.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck this inside. Guys, this fits really snug on my head. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace so the wig sits comfortably around my ears.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb the top of the wig, and I'm gonna do this in sections, you know, just to make sure I get my wig as flat as possible.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
So this is what the wig is giving. Extremely flat. I really like that, and the hairline on this wig is just everything. The fact that I've not even applied anything just yet. I've not used any hair mousse, any spray, any gel, any glue, and where is the lace? So this is 100% glueless, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just use some hair mousse around the hairline and go in with my melt band.
And try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
The thing is, the sides are lifting a little bit, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with my bedhead spray just on the sides.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura.
I'm going in with my G-Lux hair straighteners, and these straighteners get really hot, guys. It goes up to like 500, I think, and I'm not even using it on the hottest right now, but because it has wide plates, I'm literally able to straighten my hair in big sections, and I'll still get the bone straight look that I want.
Pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing.
So you guys, this is what the hairline is giving. You literally think this was my hair. Like, I love how natural this wig looks. You guys, this has to be the most natural looking wig I've ever worked with. I don't know if it's the hair texture, the hairline. There's just so many different things about this wig that makes it look this good. The hairline is amazing. The hairline is super natural. The lace is so good. It literally melts into your skin. You guys, I've not glued it down. This is 100% glueless. I just used some hair mousse, you know, just to lay down the hairline and to melt the lace a little bit. And then the hair texture, this is the Yaki straight, and it feels so soft, extremely soft. It literally feels like this is my hair. Yeah, it's definitely giving relaxed permed hair. Like this, it's so soft, honestly. Like, I just keep running my fingers through the hair because it's so soft. Another thing I really like is that it comes with the drawstring at the back of the wig, so that really helps to secure your wig and helps to keep your wig snug and fitted on your head. And it comes with an adjustable elastic band, so this wig literally comes with everything you need to make it 100% glueless. But you guys, look at the hairline. Honestly, so impressed. So impressed with this. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from Ashimary Hair, and this is their Where Go wig. It's a 13x4 HD lace front wig, and it's a 16-inch Yaki straight wig. I feel like 16 is like the perfect shoulder length if you're trying to go for that shoulder length bob look, you know. Also, like I said, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, but it has so much lace space that you can even decide to wear this as a side part. So yeah, you guys, I'm just really impressed with the hair texture. I love the hair texture. It definitely gives, this is my hair and it's growing from my scalp. Okay, so I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.